Hello, my name is Tanner Browning, and this is my Fitnessgram data analysis project. I reviewed 6 schools, all from the Merced Union High School District. These 6 schools were Golden Valley High School, Merced High School, El Capitan High School, Buhat Colony High School, Atwater High School, and Livingston High School. The 2 schools that I will be reporting on are Golden Valley High School and Merced High School. I chose Golden Valley High School because this was the high school that I attended. I chose Merced High School because this was our rival high school. So for Golden Valley High School, which is located in Merced, California, the enrollment for 2017-2018 was 1,914 students, 991 of which were female and 923 of which were male. So looking at their male to female statistics from their physical fitness report, in 2017-2018, 219 females were tested and 225 males were tested. Overall, most of their tests, they scored over 50% in the healthy fitness zone, for aerobic capacity, body composition, abdominal strength, trunk extension strength, upper body strength, and flexibility. One stat that stood out to me was in the females, for aerobic capacity, only 13.7% of students tested scored in the healthy fitness zone. 63% scored needs improvement for aerobic capacity, and 23.3% scored needs improvement health risk for aerobic capacity. This was a significant result. For the second school that I reviewed was Merced High School, also located in Merced, California. The enrollment for 2017-2018 was 1,862 students, 960 of which were female and 902 of which were male. So breaking down their male and female results, 223 females were tested and 202 males were tested. So for Merced High's results, they scored significantly better in almost all of the tests. Specifically, their female aerobic capacity results, 45.7% of students scored in the healthy fitness zone for aerobic capacity. This was a lot more than Golden Valley's. So based off their physical fitness results, I would say that Merced scored better across the board. Specifically in body composition, the percent of the healthy fitness zone for Golden Valley was 54.3 and for Merced was 58.5. The percent in needs improvement and healthy risk for body composition, GV scored 23.6 compared to Merced's 23.0. This isn't as far of a difference, but this is a smaller percent of the total kids tested for body composition. So what I learned was that Merced Union High School District as a whole needs vast improvement on their scores on the physical fitness test. The worst high school tested was Livingston High School, who scored across the board significantly, almost all in the needs improvement. The majority of their percentages were almost all in the needs improvement section for all of the tests. One of the weakest areas that was tested across the board was body composition. As someone who will one day be teaching in this district, I think it's important to note that a lot of students are lacking in physical fitness, and it's important to take this into account. Thank you.